I've been using this coconut powder, and there's a consistency. And if you smell it, the key ingredient, or the first one, rice starch, wheat flour, then coconut powder. But I did find some coconut flour. Alright, wait for it. Alright, it was accumulated in the top of the bag and I didn't want to make a mess all over my table. First up, white, creamy colored, right? Give it a taste. Give it a taste. Oh yeah. This would be an upgrade. This is going in the garbage. It's now in the garbage. Cool, right? And it's organic. It seals nicely. Simply Nature coconut flour. I'm going to cook something tonight. I'm going to use that. Tastes so much better than this. That's going in the garbage too. You'll never guess where I got this Aldi stock.